What is up, guys? New day. We are back at the shop, and today you guys are going to, we are going to be blessed with Brian's presents. So what I really need to do to the car before I rip it apart is to treat the rust that is on the outside, the exterior of the car. So, sanded this down already, as you can see, there's a hole right there. This quarter panel, it needs a patch panel, but Brian's kind of a wizard, so I don't know. We'll see what he thinks about that. Might just get a whole patch panel. But what I really want to do is the wiper hole on the hatch. I was gonna just get a grommet that they sell them, but needs to be painted anyways. So why not just delete the hole completely? Template, circle, weld it in, grind it down, mud it up, prime it up, and paint it. Sounds like a lot, but it's really not that much. It's a hole. We filled over 200 on the 14. What are you looking at?
Parts.
Oh, were you gonna say something?
Yeah.
Hopefully we could do it, bang it all out tonight. I'll wait for him, but I'm gonna take off this damn cover right here, whatever it's called. That way nothing's in the way. Like this. Ryan showed up, and it's probably a good thing because we had this idea. Make a nice template out of this metal. I messed up this thing is. There we go. Terrible. The hole saw, so there's a big hole in the middle of it. I think only Type R's came with the hatches with no wiper in the glass or in the hatch. So technically, after this, it's gonna be a Type R. The little red Honda badge, and I'll be in business. No one will ever know, besides the wing. If anyone's got a Type R wing, let me know. They're really hard to find.
This is nice background music on.
Oh my God. Like a pumpkin. Djnoway's art studio.
Oh, Djnow restored the vise?
He did while I was gone. He took it all apart.
Oh, that kid's an animal.
Reconstructed the whole thing. Hey, this partial tray for hatches is a game changer. Insane. Organized.
Very clean. We should be treating this with a bit more respect. But
my prediction is correct, Brian. When he's done cutting that, that will sit in there. It'll just fit like a puzzle piece. Before, that's kind of annoying. Last minute touches. You know.
I don't know if it fits yet, but it's close.
Close to being snug. Like, is it gripping right now?
Grip.
Like, is it gripping it?
Chilly close.
Doesn't stay in there though.
That's good. That's what you want.
Oh, you don't want it to stay in.
If it's too tight, it has nowhere to go when you weld it and it expands. Which is probably gonna happen here too. Like, realistically, you want a bigger gap.
I see.
You want like a ½ millimeter, yeah?
A hair, technically.
A millimeter, maybe?
Thou.
Yeah, I don't know about that bullshit. He's gonna tear us up. The machinist.
Wait until they see me welding this thing in.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so I had an idea. Brian said we need to cover the back window. What did I grab, Bri?
Plastic. Burn right through that.
He said, we gotta cover the windshield. I go, oh yeah, I got it. I get the bags. He's like, nah, the molten metal will go right through that, you dumbass, or something like that. So I got this. It works great. It'll work great. That patch panel for the one time.
Check it out.
Oh yeah, I should be able to weld that. I shouldn't have touched it. He wants to tack it
I'll
first.
tack it. You can finish welding, and then you should practice on this.
I don't need to practice. Go.
It's perfect.
I wouldn't fuck with the settings, bro.
What do you mean you wouldn't fuck with the settings? Blows through. We'll fix it.
It's a Honda, you know? Just keep telling yourself that.
Alright, since this thing's held in with tape, I'm gonna try.
One shot.
Listen, I gotta try to arc the MIG wire on the hatch first, so that the wire doesn't just push this through.
Oh shit.
Alright? It's pretty flush. It's gotta be flush. I may have to adjust it after the first tack, but gotta put the ground on.
Why'd you take it off?
On that. Come on, we need Give me that piece of metal.
Come on, come on. What are we doing?
Relax.
Oh yeah, baby.
All right. Now we gotta adjust it.
Oh, it's gotta come out.
This side's low. Well, watch. It's actually keep moving as we speak. Pulling down, sucking it in.
Like a clam.
I even made the little hump down there.
It's like a pumpkin. Because the orange tape was on it. He was making pumpkins today. Oh, like a little clam it's moving.
What? You know clams did that.
You know, they move like that.
Do they?
Yeah, they open up. A little pearl right there. Right, first tack down. Leave it like that. It's a Honda. Yeah, baby. Let's see what we get. What we can cook up here. Jeez, you trying to?
What? Shut up.
Oh, shake the ball.
What the stop? All right, don't f it up. All right. What are you doing?
Oh my God.
What the f did you do that for? You gotta let go of the trigger. Give me this thing.
It malfunctioned.
You malfunction, freaking dick. See, this is why.
It malfunctions. It wouldn't stop going. Where the rust? No. That's where it was rusty.
No, I heard you with the trigger.
Yeah, we got a little trigger happy. I did. I'll admit it. Look at that crooked. Look at it's like an L. Look at that thing. It was like a worm. Nice. Oh, my eyes are hurting already.
I'm not supposed to look.
That shit, come on.
What are you saying?
Come on. Oh, God. Look at that. The thing of beauty. God. I did forget. It's like my finger was stuck on the trigger.
I heard it.
Roll the clip.
All right. What are you doing?
Finger got a cramp.
Roll the clip.
EDR Brian. Guess I could do it by myself real quick while he's doing that. Fucking hot! Oh yeah, baby. Alright, I don't want to hear all the welders in the comments, right? You build it up a little bit like that, and then you grind the damn thing down and it'll be great. That's okay. Give me the grinder. I'll show you. This is going to be a good repair. So, it needs a little work still. A little pinhole that needs to be addressed. But I come over here and look at Brian's work, and it doesn't look like there was anything ever there, if you know what I mean. Little pinhole.
This is a joint effort, TJ, all right?
That's good.
You did half of it.
That's damn good.
What are you doing with this anyway? What are we doing?
I just didn't want to. I was going to put a grommet, and then you said I should do this. So I was like, all right, let's.
Still gotta fix this.
Huh?
We gotta fix this.
It's a Honda.
What's your point?
You can't. It's rusty and shit. Not going to do all that.
What? No, 40,000 miles. Who the f do you know?
I know, but still. I don't want to make it too nice. Probably going to get fucking stolen. So I don't want to make it nice. Oh my God, that thing crumbled. Good day. Civic. Huh. No shit. Okay, this is where things get crazy. Because you start with a little wiper delete. Oh, let's put a grommet in. Nope. Let's weld it shut. Then, oh, there's a little dent here. Let's try to work the dent out. And now we need to paint the whole hatch. So, that's off. Could clean that up while I'm in there. Might ask Anthony if he's open to paint the damn hatch. But then I'm thinking like, okay, we gotta take the bumper off because we have to fix the quarters on both sides, as you guys know. And then I'm like, okay, well, it'll be off. So do we paint the whole back of the car, run the bumpers off, and treat behind there? Because that's really annoying. It's like my 14. I don't think I showed this to you guys, but it's a toxic snowball effect. Pretty much ready for paint. The hatch. It's not a lot to paint because it's obviously glass, and then it's just hatch here. So I don't know what the hell to do. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. I don't want to make this thing nice. I just want it to be functional, functionable, peppy, and have a good stance. 5-lug wheels, bing bang, nice seats, and a good swap, and some aero. That's the goal. That's the main goal. Thing is scuffed. I have to order new brake pads and rotors tonight. Those are ready for paint, so we will probably pick back up on that. We'll probably do that tomorrow, but I think I might remove the rear bumper just to see what is beneath the bumper. You know, the more you know. Brian started sanding the whole back of the hatch, so that's the thing now. Took the 2 screws off of this. I'm hoping there's nothing under the taillights. We'll see. These clips popped out. Took the screws out, and we're gonna see if I gotta take the damn taillights out. It doesn't appear like there's anything, but no, I don't think there is. Look at that, beautiful. Holy shit, a couple screws. Looks like my S14 all over again. Son of a bitch. That's unfortunate.
Looks like the fucking S14.
All over again. What in the hell, man? Can't catch a break with these back panels. With that. Oh my God is right. I'm not replacing this rear panel, I will tell you that. What are you gonna do? Bondage, yep. Precise. We got some work for you, Anthony. The 14 hood's gonna have to hold off. Cheap and not probably the most proper way to do it, but the bumper covers it, so I love that, and I won't think about it as much. All right, so just like that, hondoed, sanded, scuffed. Fucking so sick. But what's that stuff you put on?
I put Evercoat 440 pinhole and scratch eliminator.
Oh, we're moving along quickly here. It's there used to be a hole right here, as you guys seen and remember if you've been watching the video.
Same video.
Correct. But if they skipped it or something, I don't know if they skip it.
They might have just been skipping through the video. I do that.
Yeah, I mean,
well, they can't do that. I can do it. I already know what happened.
this is sick. And now he's mixing up the primer, the gun, this, cleaning it. Fucking disaster this is, though, I'll tell you. I was gonna put the 5-lug on it, drive it a little. Thing's gotta get painted now. Did I cover the cars or something? What? Oh my God. Oh, you're gonna encapsulize it? It's a word, I guarantee it.
No.
Pull it up, Webster Dictionary, encapsulize.
Dude, you would not win a game of Scrabble.
Yeah, because every word I pull out of my ass, it's in the dictionary. Encapsulize. It means
Fucking encapsulize your head.
encapsulate something. Huh? Oh, shit. Oh, didn't stick there.
You got a bunch of dull razor blades.
The 14 open bay. We got the 13 freshly painted. We're spraying primer 5 feet away from it. Brian's trying to regulate the gun with his ear.
This thing is fucked up.
Bitch, I feel like John Wick with a stick. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that chunk of shit that just came flying out of it.
Paint strainers, but then right after I poured the paint in the gun, DJ's like, yeah, we got paint strainers.
I said that when you're looking for the reducer.
Let it flash.
Flash sale. Then final coat. Smooth like butter.
Paint the whole damn car.
No. That's sick. Very happy to have that done and no more wiper hole. I don't know if that's a bad thing to do, but I know that Type R's don't come with it, and I'm a fan of Type R's, so I mean, replica Type R hatch, this, that. The wheels, very stoked to put those things on. That will be coming soon, but I just gotta do this stuff first. Not the most exciting stuff, but it needs to be done, and it's the little things that make cars, like, you know, different. Yeah, we'll go over it when it's done. We'll take all the stuff off, and I hope Anthony can paint it soon. It'll be great. And I have to address the under the bumper situation, which sucks. Eye coat applied.
Why can't you say that?
What?
I said, why can't you say that?
Well, a little guy coat applied.
You always say guy coat.
So now we could take, well, maybe I should take a pic. We're good.
Not stick.
This is great. With that. Look at that. Looks like you took the damn seal out in the window. Brian killed this. Huge shout out to Brian.
You gotta clean up the inside. You gotta get.
Yep, we gotta sand it.
Wheel,
Sand her down.
and spray some of that. You saw that olive green shit
Yep.
he had?
Yep.
You gotta clean that up real good. Trust you.
Yeah, I had
You
to
gotta
do
go buy a little wire wheel, buy your little engine brush.
I know, scuff it. No, I could put on the drill in there.
No.
This, I just want to say, this just started off as me taking the wiper arm off because I hate looking at them. It was rusting under it, so I was like, I'll sand it down a little bit, put a little primer on it, and I'll just shove a grommet in it. And now here we are. Fucking shaving it. Gotta paint the damn thing now. Need new emblems now. I gotta do the whole bottom now. The bumper's off. This is terrible.
Listen,
This is good though, I guess.
I don't think you should do the whole car, but we should clean it up. 40,000 miles on this thing.
I know.
Keep it alive.
And it's so crusty.
It'd be quick, easy. We'll do a light, little quick.
I don't like rust.
What is this shit?
Exactly. How far do you go? How far do we go with it?
Out.
Sounds like fun. Lot of fun. That wraps up it for this one. I'm gonna tackle this tomorrow. That way it's prepped and ready to be fixed and repaired. Good thing it's not like holy like my 14. There's one hole here and there's another hole here, but that's not that bad. Huge thank you to Brian for welding the delete for me. And there was some body work that needed to be done here because it was dented right there. Just stay tuned. Definitely start doing some cool mods. I can't do the 5-lug until my new brakes come in, so stay tuned for that. We will be doing that probably next week. That'll be in like next week's video. It's gonna continue doing little stuff like this on the Honda to make it less crusty. That being said, I hope you guys are stoked. 5-lug. All the brakes need to be done. I'm not gonna put these on the car like this just to get a video. I'm not gonna do that. On the other hand, I am gonna throw these on the car for now, but they do need to be refinished. So the powder coat is poor on them. It's failing in a lot of spots. A lot of it will come off, but it's just poor powder coat, and that looked super not it. I hope you guys are stoked for this because it's gonna be a cool build. I am really looking forward to it, and it seems like a lot of you guys are interested in it as well. Gotta go home. Haven't felt the best. Still sick. It's been like a week, but new cut, you know. And I had to take the seats out of my 13 for James because his 15 is going to PRI. So he wanted to hold down the confettis. I told him a long time ago he should have put them in, but he's gonna put them in now. I don't think I'll be getting them back. Maybe that'll give me an excuse to finally put the rear panels in the back seat. Got to take the cage out, which is annoying, but it's fine. The panels need to be back in. It looks like a race car without them. I'm gonna go home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.